And welcome to the latest episode of Research That Matters. I am Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic in Hallettsville, Texas. And this is our weekly post about what the science and what the research says about topics that matter to you. And today's topic is the 3 most common injuries that we see with collision accidents. So whether you're just driving to work or taking a big family vacation, an unexpected car accident can cause painful injuries that impact you for months and even years. The weight of your vehicle, combined with your rate of speed, can create a tremendous amount of force. In an auto accident, that force gets transferred directly to your body. Even low-speed collisions can generate enough force to cause serious injuries. Seatbelts save millions of lives each year and absolutely should be used every time you enter a vehicle, but they also can contribute to a few of the most common injuries that occur during a car accident. The sudden stop or change in direction during an accident can place a tremendous amount of force onto your chest. And with your arms and legs unsecured, they can strike the interior of your car, causing arm and leg injuries. One of the most common injuries we see after car accidents is head injuries. Striking your head against the steering wheel, dashboard, or a window can result in severe head injuries, such as concussion, which is considered a mild traumatic brain injury. The second most common injury we see is spinal injuries. Forces that occur during a car accident can cause spinal injuries like instability, whiplash, or even herniated discs. We also commonly see injuries to shoulders as a result of holding onto the steering wheel or to the knees if they hit the door or the dashboard. If you're in an accident, no matter if it's major or minor, it's important to have a complete evaluation. An evaluation can determine the extent of your injuries and begin your journey toward recovery. Our evaluation process and assessment tools can help us fully document and assess your injuries. Then, with a combination of treatments, we can help you find relief as quickly and safely as possible. So, thank you for joining me today for the latest episode of Research That Matters. Click the like or the follow button to make sure that you continue to receive the latest updates from the research that matters to you.